Hey guys, how's it going? Before we start, I just want to let you know that if you're still having trouble at the end of this video, we do offer one-on-one Skype tutoring, so reach out to me on Facebook or on Instagram to find out more information. Links are going to be in the description. Alright, let's get started. So today we're going to learn how to find the perpendicular bisector of a line. So the question is, what is a perpendicular bisector? Well, a bisector is a line that cuts another line in half. They intersect right in the middle. And perpendicular means that those lines have to form a 90-degree angle. So what we can do here is we can draw the points we're given on our plane. So 1, 2 goes here, and then 5, 4 goes about here, and we can connect these dots together. This is our line, and the perpendicular bisector is going to look something like this. It crosses our line at the midpoint, and it forms a 90-degree angle. Okay, so when it says find the perpendicular bisector, it wants the equation of this new line. So how do we find that? What are some of the things we need to make that equation? Well, one thing we're going to need is the slope. And to find the slope of the perpendicular bisector, what we can do is we can first find the slope of our original line. So let's go ahead and do that. So our slope of the original line is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Which is equal to 4 minus 2, right? 4 minus 2 over 5 minus 1, right? 5 minus 1. And that is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to a half. Okay, 1 over 2. So that's the slope of our original. So if we have a line that's perpendicular to that, 90 degrees, what we can say is the slope of the perpendicular is equal to the negative reciprocal of this. So the negative reciprocal is when we take this fraction, we flip it or invert it. So instead of 1 over 2, we have 2 over 1, and then we make it negative. So we would get negative 2. So negative 2 and 1/2 are negative reciprocals. Okay. If this was 3 over 2, the negative reciprocal would be negative 2 over 3, okay, just as an example. So we have the slope of our perpendicular bisector, so y equals negative 2x plus b. Well, how do we find b? Well, the way we usually find b is we take a point on the line, we plug it in here for y and x, and then we solve for b. Well, do we know any points on this line? Not really, but we can find this point where they intersect, right? Because that is the midpoint of our original line, and we know how to find the midpoint of a line. The midpoint, I'll write it out here. The midpoint is equal to the average of the x's and the average of the y's. So you average the x's, so 1 plus 5 over 2, and then you average the y's, 2 plus 4 over 2. Okay? And then you get 3 comma 3. So this point here is 3 comma 3. 3 and 3. Right? So now we can say that this is a point that's on both of our lines. So if it's on our perpendicular bisector, we can plug it into this equation. So we can say 3 equals negative 2 times 3 plus b. We solve for b. We get b is equal to 9. And then we can use that b in our equation. So the final equation is y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Okay guys, that's it for me today. If you're still having trouble with this material, we do offer one-on-one Skype tutoring, so reach out to me either on Facebook or Instagram for more information. Links are in the description. Thanks guys, have a good day.